The Advanced Paddle Keypad includes features not found on other advanced keypads. We'll show you how to use these powerful features to optimize the way you work. If you're installing the keypad for the first time, you must complete a reset procedure to sync the keypad with the desk frame control box. Hold the paddle down to lower the desk until it reaches its lowest position. Hold the paddle down again until Reset appears on the display. Hold the paddle down once more until the desk slightly lowers, rises, and stops. The height will reappear on the display once the reset process is complete. Tap the paddle up to raise the desk. Tap the paddle down to lower the desk. Set and use memorized heights to raise and lower your desk with a double tap of your Advanced Paddle Keypad. Lower the desk to your ideal seated height. Keep your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle so your wrists are straight while you type and mouse. Save the seated height by pressing the side button twice until you see the heart with the number 1 beside it. Raise the desk to your ideal standing height. Keep your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle so your wrists are straight while you type and mouse. Save the standing height by pressing the side button twice until you see the heart with the number 2 beside it. You are now able to raise or lower the desk to the saved heights by double tapping the paddle up or down. Many of the Advanced Paddle Keypad settings are available in the Functions menu. To access the Functions menu, hold the side button for about 5 seconds. Tap the paddle up or down to navigate through the menu options. Tap the side button to make a selection and enter any of the settings menus. There are 2 ways to exit the Functions menu. For the first method, tap until you see the return icon and press the side button to exit. For the second method, simply stop using the keypad for 10 to 15 seconds. It will automatically exit the Functions menu and return to the height display. The Advanced Paddle Keypad can keep you moving throughout your workday by reminding you when to sit and stand. From the Functions menu, find the bell icon and press the side button. Tap to cycle through the standing and sitting reminder timers for 10, 20, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. Turn on a reminder by pressing the side button to select a time. You can set both seated and standing reminders or just one of the 2. To turn off reminders, enter the Functions menu and select the reminder settings. Cycle through the options until Off is displayed for either sitting or standing and press the side button. The standing and sitting reminders are controlled independently, so both need to be turned off individually. Add vibration pulses to the seated and standing reminders. From the Functions menu, tap to the vibration icon and press the side button. Tap to cycle through the options of 1, 2, or 3 vibration pulses, or off. Press the side button to confirm the selection. Set a minimum and maximum desk height to prevent the desk from colliding with items above or below. From the Functions menu, find the Height Limits arrow icon and press the side button. To set the maximum upper height limit with an Advanced Paddle Keypad, press up on the paddle to raise the desk to the desired height. Enter the Functions menu by holding the side button for about 5 seconds. Tap the paddle until you see the up-down arrow icon, and press the side button to select. Tap the paddle up or down to cycle through the menu options until you see Max on the display, and press the side button. To set the minimum lower height limit with an Advanced Paddle Keypad, press down on the paddle to lower the desk to the desired height. Enter the Functions menu by holding the side button for about 5 seconds. Tap the paddle until you see the up-down arrow icon, and press the side button to select. Tap the paddle up or down to cycle through the menu options until you see Min on the display, and press the side button. To disable the height limit settings, enter the height limit menu and tap the paddle until you see Off on the display. Press the side button to confirm. The Advanced Paddle Keypad can be locked to prevent accidental height adjustment. To lock an Advanced Paddle Keypad, access the Functions menu by holding the side button for about 5 seconds. Tap the paddle until the padlock icon appears, then press the side button. Once in the menu, tap the paddle until the locked icon is on the display. Press the side button and you will see a small lock icon to the left of the height display. The keypad is now locked. To temporarily unlock the keypad, first tap up, then tap down, and then press the side button. The desk height can now be adjusted and will lock again after about 10 seconds. To unlock the keypad, access the Functions menu and select the padlock icon again. Then tap the paddle until the unlocked icon appears on the display. Press the side button. Your keypad is now unlocked. Advanced Paddle Keypads can display the height of your UPLIFT desk in either centimeters or inches. To change the units of measurement of an Advanced Paddle Keypad, you will need to reset the desk. Clear the way for the desk to travel to its lowest height. Hold the paddle down to lower the desk all the way and then let go. Hold the paddle down again until the word Reset is displayed. Hold the paddle down while pressing the side button until the number 10.3 appears for centimeters, or continue to hold the side button until 10.4 appears for inches. Continue to hold and the numbers will cycle with the display flashing Reset between each number change. When the desired setting is displayed, release the paddle to select. To finalize the setting change, hold the paddle down until the desk lowers and rises slightly. The desk height should now be displayed in your preferred unit of measurement. The Advanced Paddle Keypad can be calibrated to ensure the height shown on the display matches the actual desk height. This is especially useful if the desk has casters installed. To check if the desk needs to be calibrated, simply lower the desk to its lowest position and compare the height displayed on the keypad to the actual height of the desktop using a tape measure. If there is a difference, the desk should be calibrated. To calibrate an Advanced Paddle Keypad, with the desk at its lowest position, hold the paddle down until Reset is flashing on the display. Hold the side button until numbers are displayed. Tap the paddle up or down to adjust the displayed height to match the measured height. Wait for the keypad to change back to displaying Reset. Then hold the paddle down until the desk slightly lowers, rises, and stops. The keypad is now calibrated and will display the correct height. The UPLIFT anti-collision system is designed to stop the desk when it encounters interference during motion. The sensitivity of the anti-collision system can be adjusted with an Advanced Paddle Keypad. To adjust the anti-collision sensitivity with an Advanced Paddle Keypad, lower the desk to its lowest position, then hold the paddle down until Reset is displayed. Press up on the paddle until the display shows 10.5, 10.6, or 10.7. Continue to press up on the paddle to cycle through the numbers. 10.5 is the most sensitive setting, and 10.7 is the least sensitive. Release the paddle when the preferred sensitivity setting is displayed. Hold the paddle down until the desk slightly lowers, rises, and stops. The display will now show the desk height, and the anti-collision sensitivity setting is saved. Work better, live healthier. UPLIFT Desk.